Smoking till a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, talk just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is going on, my dogs? Good morning to y'all. We are doing something really cool today. I got a shop, and so I think that this is gonna be a good step forward for Auction Dawg in general, and just kind of the whole thing that I'm doing here. Because like fixing cars in my driveway sucks. It sucks. It sucks. There's nowhere to do it. My neighbors get pissed off at me. I get code enforcement called on me all the time. So I'm just done with it completely. So this is gonna be the next step and next part of development for Auction Dawg. So it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna go ahead right now and roll on over there and kind of get you guys introduced and show you what we're working with here. About to hop in the SI. Nobody's bought this thing yet, so I've been dailying it. And yeah, man, can't really complain. Life's been pretty good lately. There you go. Number 10. So I'm stoked. You know, I think that, oh shit. I really, you know, it's not the best place in the world. It's not the most expensive. It's not the prettiest thing in the world either, you know. But it's gonna do everything I need to do. You know, it's not too expensive either, and it's gonna be a good place to start from. Humble beginnings, you know what I'm saying? That's it. Just met the caretaker of the land. This is it. It ain't nothing special yet. All we got is one bay door right here, but you can fit 2 cars in here. That's all I needed. Can you get through there or no? Oh yeah, that'd be fine. Oh, we can fit 2 cars in here. You know? I'm gonna clean this place. This place is fucked. Look at it, it's all cobwebby and shit. Dude, we gotta clean this place. This place is gnarly. It's cheap, dude. You know what I'm saying? It's cheap. So that's what's gonna have to. That's how we're running it right now. I think we're gonna build, cause it's like, hold on. I think like you could fit a car right here. You know, I mean, depending on how big they are, but you could pull it into here. And I think we're gonna build like a little area right here, like something that goes up. Like a 2nd story, like build the stairs up over there, 2nd story, so you can store some shit up there, improve your storage quantity, maybe put a couch somewhere, maybe not, probably not, but I mean all of this desk, I mean I have no use for this thing, like 0. We have to build some pretty smart storage in here, because it really ain't all that big. It's like 600 square feet or, you know, 500 or something. But everybody starts somewhere, right? Here you go. It's kind of cool, honestly. But we got a ton of shit to do. We should sell this thing. I don't know if they're leaving this thing in here. I'm gonna sell that motherfucker, dude. What is it? Oh, you cock. A Grizzly Industrial. G0623. Oh, there's a note on it. What is it? Hi, my name is Dennis, and I'm buying this table saw from the current tenant, Lenny. Oh, f***, it's already sold. This thing's probably worth $1,000, I bet. But that's a nice table saw. That's an industrial table saw. This is obviously a woodworker shop. I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. I just want to build a little stairway that goes up right here, small one. Because you could still fit 2 cars in there. Something small here, one over there. Log it up. And I think Mirko's gonna be doing ATVs in here, so he'll probably get this. You know, build a little walkway up and like a little catwalk up there. Screw it into the wall so it's sturdy. This place is pretty badass. I don't know what that is. That's wood. All you have to do back here is find a stud. Studs aren't super big. Just making it so it's not friggin' rickety. That's all that matters to me. But we're getting there. Not too bad, dude. Honestly, I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. I think it's gonna be a work in progress. We definitely gotta clean this place out, but it's doable. Pretty badass.
I didn't see that. Look at all that fucking sawdust inside.
Inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, that's not.
That's sawdust.
Oh wow, that is sawdust inside of there. Look at that. Nah, so we're cleaning this thing out here. That's decobwebbed and swept. This has not been yet. It's just dusty as hell. I got a mask on. Yeah, dude, look at all the cobwebs and shit in here. Nobody's ever cleaned this place. Never. Gonna be dope though. No, you should leave that up there. Oh, is that all ratty?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
On the one side.
Oh, f. They're getting in here somehow. All right, so we are back at it again, day number 2 in this brand new shop here. And making some progress, honestly. I'm kind of thinking about how I'm gonna lay this whole place out and what we're gonna do and all of that stuff. This freaking saw is still here, which kind of sucks, but we're making do. And yeah, we're just kind of decrusting this place, spider webbing and dusting it. Like, this used to be obviously a carpenter shop. He built cabinets or whatever the hell, you know? And there's just so much sawdust. It's all over everything. But on top of that, you have like these gnarly cobwebs everywhere. I was literally knocking them down from the ceiling, and a freaking spider almost dropped on my head. I watched it come down like slow motion, dude. I've been kind of scrubbing the walls too. I have like this really long industrial like broom that I put a rag on there and just kind of rub the walls down, because they're just covered in dust, dude. Everything is covered in dust, just a thick layer of it. So like, and now it's pretty clean. I'm gonna just rock it the way that it is. But so like, yes, the drywall is pretty much ruined in here. I'm not gonna paint it, you know, because that would just be, I'm just not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna rock it, this crappy, shitty industrial look, and I'm just gonna literally paint a big blue and white Auction Dog logo right there. Bam, right across the whole top. And I think, other than that, we're gonna get a little mini fridge in here. Make a little what's up, dude? Make a little sitting area and kind of just decobweb this whole place. I'm looking forward to it. I think that overall, like, you just have to be smart with the space, because we can fit one car in easily, have all my, you know, tools and different stuff. I'm gonna put my toolbox up here. I'm just gonna put my toolbox here, or probably under there. Use that shelf, use this table. Get a roller cart. I wanna just do a roller cart under there, put a fridge under one of these, and just rock it just like that, dude. Mirko's gonna stick all of his like dirt bikes and all this shit over here against that wall. And then when I get a little more money, if I'm still here, I want to build like a second layer up there and just kind of store some parts up there and just different shit. You know, just kind of have like a second level to it. Just kind of maximize the space in here. But other than that, dude, we're just waiting for this damn thing to get out of here. So I'm just gonna keep going, keep cracking away. Sweeping, mopping. I'm gonna mop this place after I sweep it. And just kind of make sure that we get it good and get all this shit off the ground. So, I'm really stoked. I'm really stoked. This is all coming along. And so out of here, I plan on doing just all kinds of different shit, dude. I really want this to be like, not only Auction Dog like central, but also just like the place where I can go and get out of my house and start working on stuff here, fixing cars, and making sure everything is ready for the sale, rather than just, you know, literally flying by the seat of my pants all the time. So this is gonna help legitimize. I'm looking forward to all of this. So we're getting there though, getting there. £1.5 pounds. Look at this. Look at this whole bag of sawdust right here. An entire bag of sawdust. Look at that. The saw is literally dropping freaking sawdust.
That's what YouTubers want to see.
Dude, you're so lame, dude.
On the boy playing with the wood. Yep.
Wow, we've never seen saw.
The saw is gone. It's pretty clean. What was that?
Did you say no dust?
No dust. There's most dust. Most dust. We're pretty much good. We're good to go, dude. We're really coming together here. Fuck. What's up? So, just got here. This is a little bit of our storage and stuff over here. And we really need to clean all of this crap up. This is our trash that I don't know why it's completely full. And we need to get rid of all this shit too. Just look at all of it. Stuff everywhere. Shit everywhere. I don't even know what that is. That's an intake. So we all moved in here. You know, it's not perfect yet, but it will be. We're getting there. Got my first car in here that I'm working on, the exterior, which I hate this thing, and I got a couple. I probably have an episode coming with this thing too, kind of just explaining what's going on with this one. But thank you guys for tagging along with this whole thing. Thank you for making this all possible. Thank you for being a part of the journey. And I'm really stoked to see where we are in a year. You know, Auction Dawg's really coming together, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. And I really do appreciate you guys tagging along for this whole ride. So thank you very much for your support. Thanks for checking out these videos. If you do like our content, please subscribe. Please consider, you know, giving a like on the video, drop a comment, let us know what you think. And yeah, man, peace out, my dogs. Have a good rest of your day, night, whenever you're watching this. You know how it goes. Thank you.